Hi guys, and today we're doing an experiment based on pH, which is a measure of the acidity of different materials. So really what we want to do is figure out the pH of a couple of different household items. But to be able to do that, we will not only need our acid-base indicator, and we're using red cabbage extract again, but to really know what colors these are supposed to be, we also have some pH standard solutions from a pH of 2 up to a pH of 11. So what we have in each of these wells is whatever our sample is and a couple of drops of potassium chloride, or KCl, and really we just need it for the ionic strength of the mixture. It just helps the red cabbage turn the colors. We want it a little better. So what we're going to do is add a little bit of red cabbage to each of our standard pH solutions to figure out what colors they turn. And once we have all of those, we'll do the same thing for our household items that also already have some KCl added to them as well, to figure out what colors they turn, and we can compare the colors from our standards to our household items to figure out what pHs each of these are. So as you guys can see, we have some pinks, we're getting some blues, some greens, a variety of different colors from our pH standards. Now if we do the same thing with our household substances and add some red cabbage extract to them, that should tell us the pH that some of these things are. So some of these you may know. For example, we have vinegar and some like drinking soda like Sprite, some white wine, some lemon juice. So a lot of people tend to know that some of these things are generally acidic or generally basic, and what we'll see is kind of a confirmation of some of that. So for example, in general, people tend to know that lemon juice and vinegar are acidic, and these are both very bright pinks, which kind of match up with the pinks from our standards. And so we could try and figure out which pink is closest to figure out the exact pH. But even just at a quick glance, we see that vinegar and lemon juice both turn pretty pink, so they're on the more acidic scale for our pH. So what we'll do is we'll make sure that all of these pictures get uploaded for you, and you can go through and name each of these colors and try and compare them to figure out the exact pH number of each of these household items.